What if I told you your stool is actually more honest than your doctor? Understanding bowel transit time could unlock the real reason behind your bloating, fatigue, or even your skin breakouts. In fact, an ideal transit time is 18 to 24 hours, and most people fall outside of this range and don't even know it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a holistic doctor and a board certified naturopathic doctor, and I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to, combining science with spirit. And this is all part of our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2 class dedicated to detoxification and elimination. So let's break down what your stool is actually trying to tell you about your health using the Bristol Stool Chart, food tracking tricks, and a little bit of humor. So, what's considered fast, normal, and slow? Naturally, we talked about the 18 to 24 hours. So if you are less than that, it's fast. Within that window, it's normal. And then naturally, longer than that, it's slower. And we use the Bristol Stool Chart, which gives us a physical cues for detoxification. So letting us know what type you are in the Bristol Stool Chart. And so once we test our transit time, so first things first, we can either take beets, sesame seeds, activated charcoal, or even corn because it doesn't digest well. And you want to actually take it when you've eaten it and when it first appears in your stool, and then naturally when it clears out. And so tracking that over a couple days allows us to determine what your bowel transit time is and can give us indicating clues as to how you're digesting and, of course, how to fix it, because we don't guess, we test. So there is a printable tracker within our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, and you can also sync it up with the app to track your trends over time. Data really helps us determine your bowel transit time, but also too can help us to determine what we need to do in order to repair and heal so that you can digest, assimilate, and absorb your nutrients properly. So if you are interested in learning more about detoxification and elimination, go ahead and click the link in the bio. And of course, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more.